Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro Hero 9 and I'm going to show you how you can turn on this device. So we got two methods. We have to tap on this button at the first. There's the first method. And as you can see, the device is turned on. So let's turn it off and we are going with the second method. Here we have the button that we have to just simply tap one time, and it starts record the video after the turn it on, so we can just stop it. And there's also the third method, but it's not working always and I just don't know why. There's based on the voice control, so we have to actually say GoPro turn on, and after that this device is going to turn on. But as you can see, in my case it is not working, so I'm going to just say it a little bit louder. So GoPro turn on, and as you can see, it's not working in my model. I don't know why, because when I say the other voice command like GoPro turn off, it is going to turn off, but it is not react on the GoPro turn on. So I don't know, maybe it will be fixed with the new update or something. So basically you get the three methods how to turn it on, but in my case it works only these two methods. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.